Are you tired of scrubbing your roasting pans after cooking? A nonstick roasting pan is the perfect solution, making cleanup quick and easy. It's ideal for roasting meats, vegetables, and more without the food sticking to the surface. If you are looking for the best nonstick roasting pan available in the market, then here are the top 5 excellent options that we found. The 5th product on this list is the Circulon Nonstick Bakeware Roaster. The Circulon Nonstick Bakeware Roaster is a highly practical and durable kitchen tool designed for those who enjoy roasting large meals. With a spacious 17-inch by 13-inch size, this extra-large pan offers plenty of room for roasting meats, vegetables, and more. The pan comes equipped with a convenient U-shaped rack that elevates the food, ensuring even cooking by keeping meats off the bottom of the pan. This feature helps promote air circulation, allowing heat to reach all sides of the food for perfectly roasted dishes. The pan's heavy-duty steel construction ensures fast and even heat distribution, preventing hot spots and ensuring consistent cooking results. The superior nonstick coating provides excellent food release, making it easy to remove roasted items without sticking. Additionally, it simplifies cleanup, allowing for a hassle-free experience after cooking. This roasting pan is oven-safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making it versatile for a wide range of recipes. The wide handles offer a secure, comfortable grip, ensuring easy handling even with heavy dishes. The Circulon Nonstick Bakeware Roaster also comes with a lifetime guarantee, giving users confidence in its long-lasting performance. However, there are a couple of downsides to consider. The pan is relatively large, which may not be ideal for smaller kitchens with limited storage space. Also, while the nonstick surface is excellent for food release, it may require careful maintenance to preserve its effectiveness over time. The 4th product on this list is the MICHELANGELO Nonstick Ceramic Roasting Pan. The MICHELANGELO Nonstick Ceramic Roasting Pan is an excellent addition to any kitchen, especially for those who love preparing large meals. This roasting pan is the perfect size for roasting meats like beef, pork, chicken, and turkey up to 20 pounds. It also works wonderfully for baking lasagna, bread, and casseroles, making it a versatile tool for all types of cooking. One of the standout features of this roasting pan is its ceramic coating. Free from harmful substances such as PFOA and PFOS, it ensures that no toxic chemicals are released during cooking. This makes it a healthy choice for preparing meals for your family, offering peace of mind with every use. The pan is made from lightweight yet durable aluminum, ensuring easy handling while providing reliable, long-lasting performance. It heats quickly and evenly, making it ideal for all your roasting needs. Still haven't found the best nonstick roasting pan for your needs? Keep on watching because the next 3 products will surely blow your mind. If this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for the latest reviews of techs you can't live without. The 3rd product on this list is the Rachael Ray Brights Nonstick Roaster. The Rachael Ray Brights Nonstick Roaster is a top choice for anyone looking to make roasting large meals easier and more convenient. Made from durable hard anodized aluminum, this roaster is built to last and handle both everyday meals and special holiday feasts. The material ensures even heat distribution, so your dishes cook uniformly, whether you're roasting a turkey or preparing a hearty roast. One of the standout features of this roasting pan is its nonstick interior, which ensures that food releases easily without sticking. This makes cleaning up afterward a breeze, reducing the hassle after a delicious meal. The included dual-height nonstick roasting rack adds to the versatility of the pan, allowing you to roast at different heights depending on your recipe's needs, ensuring optimal cooking results. The sturdy stainless steel handles are another highlight. Designed to provide a firm grip, these dual-riveted handles give you confidence and control when moving the roaster from the stove to the oven or from the oven to the table. The pan is oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for a wide range of roasting and baking tasks. While the Rachael Ray Brights Nonstick Roaster is a great addition to any kitchen, it does have some drawbacks. The nonstick coating, although durable, may wear over time, especially with frequent use. Also, the large size of the pan can be cumbersome for those with limited storage space. The 2nd product on this list is the KitchenAid Roaster. The KitchenAid Roaster is a versatile and durable kitchen essential designed to make your cooking experience easier and more efficient. Made from hard anodized aluminum, this roaster offers excellent strength and long-lasting performance. Its unique construction ensures that heat is evenly dispersed across your food, allowing for perfectly roasted dishes every time. The removable nonstick rack elevates the food, ensuring better airflow, which promotes even heat distribution and enhances the roasting process. One of the standout features of this roaster is its triple-layered nonstick coating. This makes for effortless food release, so you can easily remove your meals without any sticking or tearing. Plus, the removable rack ensures that cleanup is quick and simple, helping maintain the roaster's pristine condition. This pan is not only ideal for the oven, but can also be used on the stovetop for making gravies and sauces. Its versatility extends beyond roasting, making it perfect for cooking turkeys, hams, and prime ribs in the oven. Additionally, the built-in corner spout allows you to pour out juices and gravies with ease, reducing mess and ensuring precise control. Despite its many advantages, the KitchenAid Roaster has some limitations. The removable rack, while practical, may require extra care when cleaning. Before we reveal the top nonstick roasting pan on this list, be sure to check out the description below for the newest and best deals on each of these items. And don't forget to subscribe if you want the latest news on the best products on the market. Finally, our top nonstick roasting pan is the Viking Culinary Roasting Pan. The Viking Culinary Roasting Pan is a versatile and high-quality kitchen essential for anyone who enjoys roasting large meals. This 3-ply roasting pan comes with a nonstick rack, making it ideal for cooking everything from a Thanksgiving turkey to a holiday roast. The design of the pan includes inverted handles, a feature that allows it to fit comfortably into your oven. Unlike traditional roasters with extended outward handles, the Viking roasting pan minimizes space, making it a great choice for those with smaller ovens or limited space. The inverted handles are not just space-saving, they also make the pan easier to handle. They are ergonomically designed, allowing you to smoothly slide the roaster in and out of the oven with less effort and strain. This thoughtful design makes the Viking roasting pan a practical and user-friendly option for both beginners and experienced cooks alike. One of the standout features of this roaster is its ability to fit up to a 25-pound bird, making it perfect for large family meals or special occasions. The V-shaped Eternal Non-Stick Cooking Rack helps ensure that your roasts cook evenly and lift easily from the pan, reducing the risk of sticking. However, one downside of this product is its size, as it may be too large for smaller households or people with compact kitchen storage. Additionally, some users may find the pan slightly heavier when handling it with a full roast inside. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. And if you can't wait for the next video, check out these two that we think you'd love. We'll see you guys in the next fantastic techs you can't live without videos.